Hello, I'm Sara from Finer Details. I'm a professional organiser and I'm diarising my own declutter as I get ready to enter into 2011. Now we only have 1.5 days left of 2010. Now this is quite an easy task for me because I do it on a regular basis. It's really good when we do declutters to have a motivator behind why we want to do it. And I have 3 motivators that I can think about. So the first one is entering into the new year without any clutter in my home. The second one is there's a couple of pieces of furniture that I would like to get rid of. And this is one of them. I've never really liked it. I bought it because I had some dodgy looking speakers and I wanted to hide them. So this was the only piece that I found that I could do this. But now I've decided that I will just come up with another solution because I don't like looking at it. Another thing I will do is I have a collection of DVDs and I never look at the labels, the outside, the covers even, so I'll get rid of all the covers and just put them in some books to save space. There isn't really a lot for me to get rid of here. I've got my collection of vinyl records from when I was little. I know that's one of my favourite things to do, so I'll be keeping those. So mainly this area, it's just a matter of cleaning it. But I did come up with a huge decision that I wanted to share with you. So not only am I getting rid of the cabinet, but I'm also going to get rid of the TV. I've decided that that's enough. I don't really watch much TV. I watch DVDs when I'm working as a quick break, so I can just watch 15 minutes and finish. I can do that on my laptop. I want to read more books and stop staring at this great big square box. So that's it, it's going. I've set it on YouTube and I will keep to it. So that's it. This is my last of my living room. I'm going to clean it up and then move on to the rest of the house. Only got one more day to go, so need to get a move on.